I'm Hurricane Peter McNeely from Medfield, Mass. On Saturday night, watch me kick Tyson's ass.
Ha 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 ha. And he got his kicked very hard. However, I'm going to show you potential $5 million that you can earn online. And yes, I have earned that too. But today's video story came after watching this video for 18 long minutes. I mean, after losing 18 long minutes, I decided to show you how the money is made. The problem is I couldn't find a reason to make a video out of this video. So I was looking for some more inspiration on the right hand side. And guess what happened? I saw this video. Don't worry, you don't have to watch. I got more suggestions on the right hand side and I clicked on this video.
From other crews got away with a warning. Everybody else, watch out.
Honestly, this was amazing. How to steal from casino. I wish the world was that easy. No, don't worry. I'm not gonna show you how to steal $5 million from casinos. Don't try this at home because if you do, this would happen. What gave me the idea of making today's video and show you the potential $5 million is this one.
All right, stay calm, everybody. Don't touch nothing. My name is Cherokee Bill. Now let it be known that I don't particularly enjoy violence.
But this guy is smart. And he was stopped by a hero. And they challenged each other. Guess what happens?
Maybe you'll win. Let's see.
That was smart. Not so violent. But you know, I need to show you the money because you are here for money. Side hustle, you know, buying a Lamborghini yesterday with 5 minutes of work. And I got the idea. So I'm going to show you live. I didn't try this before and it may fail as well. I'm going to take screenshot. And I will hide the ones that I don't want to use. I will hide this one as well. Now I will copy the image, Ctrl C, and put it here, Ctrl V. Then I'll take a little screenshot from this video as well, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'll take another screenshot from this video, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now I will ask ChatGPT. Tell me clearly, give me all the reasons you know why the videos in these screenshots went viral. Leave it here, let ChatGPT work, and in the meantime, let us understand why are we talking about virality, videos, views. It's because money is in the pocket of real people, and these are the real people. Here are our affiliates who sent these real people to our products or our offers, and some of them purchased from us. Not a lot, some of them. And from some of those purchases, our affiliates made over $2.6 million in passive affiliate commission from this Warrior Plus account alone. This way, we paid over $3 million in affiliate commission to all our affiliates. So all I wanted to establish here is that traffic, visitors, viewers are the holders of your money. You only make money when you can get these people check your offer, maybe your offer or somebody else's offer that you are promoting as an affiliate. Now you probably understand the value of 11 million views that this video has got. But I want to know why these videos went viral. So I can tell you, you can do that too and get traffic. Let's have a closer look, learn from this, and probably take action. If you find it a lot of work, then don't worry. I have a much better and easier solution, but you have to watch the full video. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Number one is high emotional impact. Each video evokes strong emotions, excitement, admiration, outrage, or nostalgia. This increases engagement. The second one is universal themes, like badass moments, fights, revenge, are widely relatable and draw immediate interest. I can relate. It happened to me. I've been watching these videos for last 1 hour. Strong thumbnails. All three thumbnails convey drama or intensity, a face, a motion, or a dark or contrast heavy image, making people want to click. Clickbait style titles, of course, without lying. They promise entertainment, awe, and conflict. This piques curiosity without misleading. This is very important because if you mislead your viewers, they will hate you. They will probably hit the unlike button and your videos will never go viral. Short, punchy, capitalized phrases. Edits and compilation format. Rewatch value. Scenes from movies or sports events that people already like make it easy to rewatch or share. SEO friendly description and tags. These are different things. This may work or not. Now the breakdown by video. You can see tons of explanations for each video. Now what do we learn from this? We learn that it's possible to curate videos from movies, from serials, from sports matches, some really badass movie scenes. And most importantly, it's really easy to learn these days. Just show something to AI and ask for explanation. AI will tell you everything. At least this will cover 80 to 90%, which is more than enough to get a lot of results. Okay, you must be asking, Mosh, where is the money? Money is here, coming on a silver platter. Let's use your lazy brain a little bit and learn first. Now, whether you use AI to find your next video idea, title, thumbnail, video sources, or you do it yourself, or you use a real team to do it on your behalf, it's a lot of work. Once you take action, the results are very, very rewarding. According to Social Blade, this channel makes some money, like starting from $31 to $498 per month for video views. However, I don't much care about video views. I care about getting traffic to paid offers and get some people to buy. And here is what happens. This is the summary of 4 Warrior Plus accounts. You can see the gray rows. These are the total of each account. In the red bordered column, you can see the number of traffic sent by affiliates. The first account got 5,000 traffic, and the affiliates on this account made total $2,200 in affiliate commission. The second account, third account, fourth account. But you see that on the green column shows the value of each visitor or each traffic, and it varies from 55 cents to 88 cents, which means, let's say visitor value is the lowest one, 55 cents. If you send 1,000 visitors to an offer as an affiliate, then you earn $550. If you send 11 million visitors, then you earn $5.5 million. Is this real? My friend, the results are in front of us. You can see this last one, the bottom account, got 8 million visitors and generated $4.4 million in sales revenue. So these numbers are real. Every visitor to us is 55 cents to 88 cents. If we can make $4 million from 8 million visitors, can we not make $5.5 million from 11 million visitors? Yes, we can. We have done it. So this video alone has potential to send tons of visitors, potentially 11 million visitors to an offer and make $5 million. Subhanallah. Can we say Subhanallah? So what is stopping you? I know what is stopping you. The theory is always easy. Tons of affiliates sent so much traffic and made so much affiliate commission. If they can do it, you can do it too. But even for them, sending traffic has never been easy. If someone used YouTube or videos, they had to go through all these steps and processes and systems. Nobody got any shortcut. There is no shortcut. You have to learn about copywriting, psychology, human behavior. You have to learn about themes. You have to learn about thumbnails, how to get idea, how to model them, and how to actually design them, how to come up with titles. Last but not least, the video editing and compilation. And if you don't know about SEO, then you know nothing about free traffic. So that's just one paragraph of this whole page. Now there are more. You have to go one by one, learn from each, and implement in order to actually get results. Is it easy to you? Absolutely easy. that easy should have a definition. What is easy? Okay, my question is the time. According to your definition, how much time something easy will take to learn and implement? And the implementation has to be daily. Now, if you are at a 9 to 5 day job or you have an existing business, you probably have 2 to 3 hours per day to try a side hustle. Is this enough to learn and implement daily? Daily what exactly? All these steps. Learning, implementing, and of course, improving every single day. On top of that, there is one more thing. Is it doable? Of course it is doable. People are already doing it right in front of you and they're getting results and they're making money. Everything you saw in this video are 100% verifiable and true. So definitely you can do it too. However, there is a problem. Have you ever done this before? If you haven't, then your brain doesn't know it yet. So your left brain, which is a logical brain, will not accept something that you have never done before. So you might have seen these screenshots, but your left brain will say, Mosh has shown you a screenshot. This may or may not be real. Mosh has hidden the names of the affiliates, although he claims that it is for privacy, but this may also not be real. Now let's say, just to make you happy and make your left brain believe, I log into my Warrior Plus account. This is the real one. And I go to the affiliate section and I select all time for this account. And I show you the real results. Look at this. This is real. It's the same number that you see the screenshot behind this window. Even after seeing the real window, real result, your brain will play tricks with you. It will say, listen, you have never done this before. And odds are you will never make it. Your belief factor will not let you work 2 to 3 hours per day, every single day consistently until you get results, which is crucially important to get real results. What is the solution then? How did those affiliates make money? And how do our 99% done for you program members earn affiliate commissions for each sale like this? Rabbi lives in Bangladesh and he is also our team member. If he can make it, you can make it too. Nathan lives in the US and he has a 9 to 5 day job. Alvin lives in Nigeria and I think he never made a single video without his face as well. Daryl used to be my neighbor. Ilham is extremely busy. She works from 6 to 6. She has absolutely no time to take any action. All she does is download videos and upload videos. Osman has a day job and he's a traveler. He traveled to 150 plus countries. I can go on and on. I can scroll all day long, but they won't make you money. The only time you make money is when you take action. But for that, you need a mentor, you need guidance, you need a course, you need a community, you need accountability, inspiration. You will get all these together and inshallah get results like our 99% done for you members. But for that, you need to take one action. It is a free action. You don't need to pay for it. Just scan this QR code and watch the free training. If you can't scan, the link will be in the description below as well. You will watch our free training and after the training, you will learn about our paid program at the end of that video. I mean at the end of the free training. And if you are serious and you decide that, yeah, you want to put your hard-earned money into somewhere, into a program that will potentially put yourself into these people's places. Like Mushfiq, he lives in Bangladesh. If he can do it, you can do it too. I hope this video was inspirational with a little bit of guidance on how you can reach to making guaranteed income with simple actions. And if these actions seems overwhelming to you, you know that there is a 99% done for you program where regular people just like yourself are earning commissions like this. And you also know that you can learn about the program by scanning this QR code or by clicking the link in the description. And finally, it's going to be a paid program, not free. But you know about the paid program after watching a free training video. So what is stopping you from watching the free training video? Go ahead, watch, and we will see you inside. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.